Hi there. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to post an image to your discussion forum post where the image displays in the post itself. So first thing you're going to do is go to the discussions area and then find the discussion forum where you would like to post your image. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is click on the thread where we want to post, and then we are going to reply to the original post. Alright, so you already have a subject here. You can change it if you like. And the important thing is sometimes your editor will show like this. You need to expand it to see all the options available to you. Now you're going to click on the image icon next to the paperclip and select Browse My Computer. And the image I'm going to post in my case is called Physics Assignment. So I'll open that and you'll see a little display of it here. And you can give your image a title if you want to. And then select Insert. So after you do that, you'll see that your image shows up in the text box. You can also add a text description here if you want. And once you're happy with everything, select Submit. Alright, so it says success. Your post has been created, and you can see here that your image will display right there in the post and not as an attachment, so that your instructors and your fellow students can see the image when they go to the thread. So that's it. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.